Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily and quickly make a table of contents in Google Docs. So without further ado, let's get into it. So you'll need some content over here. As you can see, I have introduction, part 1, part 2, getting started, part 1, part 2, and conclusion, part 1 and part 2. What you want to do is you want to highlight this text. So this is going to be heading 1. And you can do the same for all of the headings of that type. So click 3 times, it'll highlight that, and you just want to make sure it's heading 1 or any other choice that you would prefer. The subcategories or the subheadings here, I'm going to make heading 2, and this is simply just to make this look neat. Now what we want to do is find the place that we want to add our table of contents. So mine is going to be just over here, and put your cursor there. You're going to go into Insert, and right at the bottom you're going to scroll down and you'll see Table of Contents, and there are 3 styles. Your table of contents can look like this. On the right hand side there are page numbers. You can also have it look like this, and you can also have it look something like this. Now these are 3 different ways of adding a table of contents to a Google Doc. You can now go ahead and customize all of this, including the size of the text as well as the font style.